Iman here from Design by Iman, and today we're here at Rock in Roxton, which is a home right in the heart of Toronto. And today we're going to walk you through and show you how we transform the space. Initially, you walked into a very narrow entryway that felt like a bowling alley, and everything felt really orange and straight from the early 90s. Today, the entry is bright and grand. We pushed back the wall to create room for a console table, and we opened it up and we replaced the wall with some slats in a curved shape. We painted out the staircase and changed out the spindles to a satin brass finish for that touch of glam. Initially, there were 3 potential directions that you could go in, but by installing the marble slats and a beautiful wine wall, there's now one clear path to enter the home, which is through this amazing archway, which also covers the old support columns. The entry has durable porcelain tiles, which transitions in a zigzag. The effect looks stunning. We got rid of the 6-panel builder grade doors, and now the white closet and powder room doors have a curved detail with knurled matte black lever style handles. The powder room, which is right off of the entry, used to have a boring builder grade pedestal sink that was right in front of the door. We chose to push back the vanity wall, and it actually allowed for this gorgeous black pedestal vanity with an integrated sink. We went with a wall-mounted faucet and a custom metal towel rack. The new tile that surrounds the entire room is textured, and on the one wall has this amazing pattern. We finished the powder room off with this gorgeous archway mirror, which really speaks to the rest of the arches in the home. The main living room wall had this red brick, and it felt a little bit dated, and there was also a lot of wasted space. We divided up the main area into 3 sections: a living area, a workspace, and a dining room feature wall. The living area was all brick, but we drywalled over the brick on both sides to allow for these beautiful black sconces. I love how the light shines towards the wall, creating a nice glow. We covered the old fireplace with 2 colors of stone, white and black for a high contrast, but we kept the arch in the fireplace to tie back with the rest of the arch details. We created a new structure to create a workspace, which actually lines up perfectly with the arched detail entry. We added storage as well as a desk and some added shelving for display areas. In the dining room, we wanted to preserve some of the old brick, so we decided to paint out the brick to a black with high contrast and have detail molding below with a subtle arch detail. The lighting in the home really makes the biggest difference. We have LED lighting on the brick wall, the gorgeous malleable rope light for the dining room chandelier, LED light in the center of the room, the shelving light, as well as the living room wall sconces. We also replaced the dining room windows with an affordable sliding door, which now is the new walkout to the backyard. Before, the kitchen had a chunky fridge on the end, a fidget spinner shaped island, laminate counters with a white microwave, and a back exit door right in the middle of the whole space. Now that we have a new walkout from the dining room, we decided to close off the window and the exit door to create towers of fridge and freezer space. We now have a full tower of integrated freezer space as well as fridge space. We created a hidden pantry right off the kitchen. Now you can walk into a back room and hide all your small appliances and mess and have extra space for so many items. In the kitchen, we opted for a beautiful black and white porcelain slab for the back wall, with custom metal shelving and hidden storage in the corner. The matte black faucet and sink add another touch of modern, along with the new wall oven and microwave combo. We added this beautiful peninsula, which butts right up to the new wine wall. This allows for a more natural flow. It's no longer an odd shape, but it's still so unique with the 2 layers. One with the integrated gas burners and downdraft, and the second level of the overhang is perfect for your morning breakfast. Overall, the main floor turned out to be so amazing, and the client is super happy. The master bathroom had a small vanity with black brick and a jetted tub, and it was super dated. It had a really small shower and an awkwardly placed toilet as well. Today, when you walk in, you're greeted with a black porcelain strip that connects to the bench and then connects again to the wall, which separates the new shower and tub. The shower has a feature slab tile with green details, gold and black faucets with a rain head, a linear integrated drain, and a mosaic floor with a border for a seamless transition. The vanity has 2 sinks with more slabs and a gorgeous round mirror with a curved pendant light. With the new positions of the vanity and shower and tub, we were actually able to relocate the toilet as well, making it feel a lot more private. Overall, the master bathroom checks all the boxes. Before, the exterior of the home was really lacking curb appeal, so what we wanted to do is just give it a little bit of a refresh. So we got rid of the canopy and replaced it with something more modern. We redid the steps, added glass railings, and the best part was we added a lot of new lighting around the whole front area, which really changed the entire curb appeal.
We even converted their garage into a fun kids' play area with 2 levels. Upstairs has an arched mesh lookout, and the space is great for slumber parties. And on the main level, we have a creative space with a mini kitchen, chalkboard, cubbies for toys, and we even added a slide.
Overall, Rockin' Roxton turned out to be really rocking, and the clients are so excited to move into their new space.